Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Baitanna. As we have seen tenses, now chapter number 3, active and passive voice. It play very important role. As we have seen all these tenses, that is active sentence we have seen. Now passive. In grammar, the voice of a verb describes the relationship between the action that the verb expressed and the participants identified by its argument, subject, object, etc. When the subject is the agent or doer of the action, the verb is in active voice, means subject coming first. Subject does the work activity, then active. When the subject is a target or the undergoer of the action, the verb is said to be in passive voice. When object coming first, that not doing work, it is called passive. See, active sentence is Dinesh like a cat. Simple past tense is there. Passive, you see, a cat was liked by Dinesh. See, Dinesh like a cat, active, Dinesh subject, direct second form, simple past tense formula you know. Subject plus second form, V2, past tense form plus direct object. Passive formula, then object plus was were, according to object, singular then was, plural then were. Then past participle third form coming compulsory in passive, by plus subject. See, Dinesh like a cat was liked by Dinesh. See, a cat singular, that is a was coming in second and third form, same as killed. By Dinesh coming first in active voice, that coming last in passive. See, that means in first sentence subject is important, that is why active. And passive object is important, subject less importance or no importance is there. See, examine the following sentences carefully. The man must have eaten 5 bananas. Vipin made the letter. Now observe the following sentence. 5 bananas must have been eaten by man. See, must coming. That means must have already there, so we have to add been eaten already coming, that third form in both same. 5 bananas object in first sentence, sentence A, that we have to take first. Must have already there in active, that we have to write same. Been we have to add our own, and past participle also given, eaten by the man. Vipin mailed the letter, simple past tense again coming, the letter was mailed by Vipin. See, simple past tense, the letter object in first B sentence, that coming first in passive. A singular, so was coming male third form, same as second and third by Vipin. In the above sentences, the verb in first have been, have eaten and mailed express the action done by the subject, the man and Vipin respectively. See, first we see in this sentence the man, and second see Vipin coming, both did the action, so they are inactive. When the subject of the verb does the action, the voice of the verb is said to be active, the person who does the action work. In sentence 2 A and B, C, the verb have been eaten and was mailed express the action done on the subject. 5 bananas in the letter respectively, both are object coming first. When the subject of the verb in a sentence receives the action, the voice of the verb is to be passive. Here the word by identifies the sentence as being in passive voice. Without subject also passive coming. So from the formula you should realize. Now see, change the voice. While changing the verb from active to passive voice, the following general rules should be followed. See, the object of the active voice is made the subject of the passive voice. The object of the active voice means last coming object in active, that we have to take first in passive. The subject of the active voice is made the object of the passive voice, and in active subject coming first, that we have to take last in passive. The passive voice must contain the third form of the main or finite verb. In passive, compulsory past participle means V3, third form of the verb coming. In all passive, past participle must be there. The 3 points we have to keep in mind. The object of the active voice is made the subject of the passive voice. In active, as you know, object coming last, that we have to take first in passive. And subject coming first in active voice, that we have to take last in passive. And past participle, third form coming. See, the form of the verb is used according to the tense. See, I killed a tiger. I, subject, verb in the active voice, killed, and object, a tiger. Object taking first, a tiger. See, in active last, that we have to take first. Was killed, because a tiger singular, that in simple past tense, so was coming. Past participle, killed by I become me. See this. Now changes of the person, subjective case, possessive case and objective case. I, my and me. We, our, us. You, your, you. He, his, him. She, her, they, their and them. You see, I then become me, we then us, you then you, he then him, she then her, and they then them. Objective case we have to write. Now see formation of the passive voice. Present indefinite means simple present tense. Subject, first form of the verb, or s or es in object. Passive you see object plus am is are according to object, past participle, by and subject. See. He writes a letter is written by him. She sings a song is sung by her. They invite me, I am invited by them. See, simple present tense, all these 3 sentences. He writes a letter is written by me. She sings a song is sung by her. They invite me, I am invited by them. See, negative. Active, subject plus do does not, first form of the verb and object. Object plus am is are not, we have to add past participle, by and subject. See, negative sentence. I do not distribute newspapers. Newspapers are not distributed by me. See. She does not buy mobiles. Mobiles are not bought by her. See, mobiles plural forms are coming. See. Newspapers plural forms are coming. You do not help me. See, I coming first, that is why I am coming. With I am coming. I am not helped by you. See. So like this, if you prepare the formula, then it is very easy for you, like maths, to score the marks and to change active into passive and passive into active. Now see interrogative sentence. Do does, subject, verb, object and question mark. Am is are, object, past participle, by and subject. See, am is are actually capital should be there. Is then I capital, am then a capital, are then a capital. Out of 3, anyone coming in a sentence, not 3 altogether coming. Now see example of this. You obey your elder brother? Is your elder brother obeyed by you? See, your elder brother singular is coming. Is your elder brother obey? Third form, as you know, past participle, obeyed, ed. By you remain you. Does she pluck the flowers? Are the flowers plucked by her? See. Flowers plural form, so are coming, object flowers, third form ed, plucked by she become her. Negative interrogative sentence. Do does taking first subject not, first form of the verb, object and question mark. See, am is are, object not, past participle, by and subject. See, does Mohit not plant a tree? Is a tree not planted by Mohit? Do you not read a book? Is a book not read by you? See, negative interrogative. Formation of passive voice. Present indefinite. We have seen now present continuous tense. Active subject plus am is are, verb plus ing and object, object plus am is are. Being we have to add here. See, the difference in passive between simple present tense and continuous present tense, that is being coming in continuous present tense while being not coming in simple present tense. Other formula same. See, in passive. Object am is are, no, being past participle, by and subject, and that being not coming in simple present tense. My friend is cooking the food is being cooked by my friend. If you want to change the sentence, passive is simple present tense, the food is cooked by my friend, simple present tense, the food is being cooked by my friend, continuous present tense. You are teaching me, I am being taught by you. See, both the sentence you have to turn into simple present tense. Then you teach me, simple present tense. I am taught by you, passive. And negative, it's continuous present. You are teaching me, I am being taught by you. In passive we have to add being. Negative sentence only have to add not, subject plus am is are not, verb plus ing plus object. See, object plus am is are not, being, past participle by and subject. See, she is not purchasing a house is not being purchased by her. I am not cutting a tree is not being cut by me. See, interrogative sentence, am is are taking first, subject, verb plus ing, object and question mark. Am is are, object, being, past participle by subject and question mark. See, are they plucking some flowers? Are some flowers being plucked by them? See, being we have to add, while in simple present tense being not coming at all. See, negative interrogative formula. See, am is are, subject not, verb plus ing, object, question mark. Am is are, object not, being, past participle by subject and question mark. See, active, is he not flying a kite? Is a kite not being flown by him? Are you not singing a song? Is a song not being sung by you? Am I not teaching you English? Are you not being taught English by me? Double object coming. So like this there, if we pay attention, then it is very easy. Now present perfect tense. Affirmative, active, subject have as, past participle and object. Passive, object have as been, past participle by and subject. Here we have to add been in passive. In continuous present tense have to add being, being. Here been, b-e-e-n. See, active formula we have seen in tenses. Subject have as, past participle, object. Object have as, object singular then has, plural then have. Been we have to add, third form coming in both. See, in active also past participle, in passive also past participle, no need of changing. By and subject. See, she has taken a cup of tea. A cup of tea has been taken by her. See, coming both, third form. See, taken in active also, in passive also. You have found the address. The address has been found by you. See, negative, subject plus have as, not, past participle, object. Object plus have as, not, been, past participle by and subject. See, he has not eaten a banana. A banana has not been eaten by him. They have not plucked the flowers. The flowers have not been plucked by them. See, only have to add not. That's all after have as in active and passive. Interrogative have as, subject, past participle, object. Have as, object, been, past participle by subject. See, have they won the match? Has the match been won by him? In have as coming first in active and passive in interrogative sentence. Negative interrogative sentence, have as plus subject, not, past participle, object, question mark. Have as plus object, not, been, third form of the verb, past participle by and subject. See in the right side. Has he not written the letter? Has this letter not been written by him? See, has he not written this letter? Has this letter not been written by him? See, has coming both, in he coming, so has, and here is this letter singular. That is why not adding, we have to add been in this and then by and subject. There is no passive form of the present perfect continuous tense. So only have to, no need of learning this. Simple present, continuous present and perfect present tense passive possible. Now past indefinite means simple past tense. Subject plus second form plus object, active formula, passive formula, object taking first, was where, past participle by and subject, that means passive. See, Rina employed 300 men. 300 men were employed by Rina. See, 300 men, plural form is there, so where coming? Employed second and third form same, which some verb is taking ed second form, that compulsory taking ed in third form, so no need of changing it. Same coming. They built 3 houses. 3 houses were built by them. See, built also second and third form same. 3 houses, plural form, so were built second and third form same, by they become them. Negative, you see subject plus did not, first form of the verb and object active, passive object plus was were, not past participle, by and subject, that is passive. See, I did not see him, he was not seen by me. You did not pay the bill was not paid by you. See, the bill singular was not, pay third form paid, paid, by you become you. Interrogative sentence, the did coming first, did plus subject, first form of the verb, object and question mark. Was were plus object, past participle, by subject and question mark. Did Anmol open the shop? Was the shop opened by Anmol? See, did she eat the mangoes? Were the mangoes eaten by her? See, did plus subject, verb, object and question mark. Were the mangoes eaten by her? Mangoes plural form, so were coming. Negative interrogative sentence, did plus subject, not, first form of the verb, object and question mark. Was were object, not, past participle, by subject and question mark. See, did they not enjoy the magic show? Was the magic show not enjoyed by them? Did Bhavan not finish her work? Was Bhavan's work not finished by her? When you realize like this that in did coming first in negative interrogative, then subject, not, verb, first form, object, question mark. Was where the object, not, past participle, by and subject and question mark. See, next page. Past continuous tense, active voice, you know, subject plus was were, verb plus ing, object, passive object, was were being, past participle, by and subject. See, active, I was learning my lesson was being learnt by me. They were distributing the sweets among the children, the sweets were being distributed by them among the children. Being we have to add in passive. Negative, subject, was were not, verb plus ing and object, object plus was were not, being, past participle, by and subject, you know. Example, the farmer was not plowing the field was not being plowed by the farmer, as you know, plow then plowed. Interrogative sentence, was were subject, first form of the verb means ing and object. See, was were object being, past participle, by subject. Were they abusing the others? Were the others being abused by them? See, the others plural form, so were coming. Were the others being abused, that form, abused by them. Negative interrogative, was were subject, not, verb plus ing, object. Was were object, not, being, past participle, by and subject. See, question mark. Was she not driving a motor car? Was a motor car not being driven by her? Were the farmers not sowing the seeds? Were the seeds not being sown by the farmers? Past perfect tense, subject plus had, past participle, object, object plus had been, past participle, by and subject. See in right side. Active, I had already done my work had already been done by me, have to add been in passive. Object taking first, then had, any object singular or plural, had, adding been, past participle already there in active, that you have to write in passive. By I become me, we become us, you remain you. Negative, subject plus had not, past participle, object plus had not been, past participle, by and subject. See, you had not written a letter had not been written by you, have to add not in both active and passive after had. They had not won the match had not been won by them. He had not played a football match had not been played by him. See, interrogative sentence, had taking first, had plus subject, past participle, object, question mark. Had plus object, been, past participle, by and subject. Had he knocked at the door? Had the door been knocked at by him? So you realize this particular matter in detail. Negative you see had, subject not, past participle, object question mark, had plus object, not been, past participle, by and subject. See, had she not washed the clothes? Had the clothes not been washed by her? Had they not played a cricket match? Had a cricket match not been played by them? See, there is no passive form of the past perfect continuous tense. So now coming future indefinite means simple future tense. Subject plus shall will, first form of the verb plus object, will shall, third form of the verb by and subject. See, active he will win the match will be won by him. Active I shall teach you, you will be taught by me. Active Kamla will boil milk, milk will be boiled by Kamla. See, you realize this, that affirmative formula very easy. See now, negative subject plus shall will, not, first form of the verb, object, passive object plus shall will, not, be, past participle, by and subject. They will not watch TV, TV will not be watched by them. I shall not cook rice, rice will not be cooked by me. Interrogative will shall subject, verb, object and question mark, will shall plus object, be, past participle, by and subject. See, will they praise the Gita? Will the Gita be praised by them? See. Shall we run a race? Will a race be run by us? See. Be coming, so shall coming here, race coming, there is a will coming. Be we have to add in passive, past participle run same, by we become us. Negative interrogative sentence, shall will plus subject, not, first form of the verb, object. See, will shall object, not, be, past participle, by and subject. Active, will your friend not invite Abhay? Will Abhay not be invited by your friend? See, future perfect tense, continuous future tense, passive is not possible. So future perfect tense, affirmative sentence. See, subject plus shall have, will have, past participle, object, passive object plus shall have been or will have been, past participle, by and subject. See, example, they will have planted a tree will have been planted by them. See, been we have to add in passive, we shall have sold our house will have been sold by us. Negative have to add not after shall will in active and passive. Subject shall will not have, past participle, object shall will not have been, past participle, by and subject. See, active, they will not have planted a tree will not have been planted by them. We shall not have sold our house will not have been sold by us. Interrogative sentence. See, shall will subject have, past participle, object and question mark. Shall will object have been, past participle, by and subject. See, will they have planted a tree? Will a tree have been planted by them? Shall or will we have to take first. Shall we have sold our house? Will our house have been sold by us? Negative interrogative sentence, active, shall will plus subject, not have, past participle, object. Will shall object not have been, third form of the verbs by subject. Will they not have planted a tree? Will a tree not have been planted by them? Shall we not have sold our house? Will our house not have been sold by us? There is no passive voice of future continuous tense, so we must take care of it in a proper way so that we realize. Now see change in modal while forming passive. Active, you see subject plus modal auxiliaries means modal auxiliaries should, can, may, must. Verb coming and object plus modal auxiliaries, what may be should, can, must, then we have to add be. past participle by and subject. Any modal auxiliary is there, can, should, may, might, must, would, shall, will, then have to same formula of active and passive. Means subject, modal auxiliaries, first form of the verb and object. If you write object plus modal auxiliary B, we have to add in modal auxiliaries in passive, past participle by and subject. See, he should buy a book. A book should be bought by him. See, so that you realize they must speak the truth. The truth must be spoken by them. Subject plus modal auxiliaries have past participle by an object. Object, modal auxiliaries have been, third form by and subject. Have, then we have to add been, otherwise be. They may have eaten the food may have been eaten by them. In this, as you know, both coming past participle. She should have drunk the milk should have been drunk by her. See. Subject plus ought to, first form of the verb and object. Object plus ought to be, third form by and subject. You ought to serve your nation. Your nation ought to be served by you. To coming, then we have to add be. They ought to respect their parents. Their parents ought to be respected by them. Negative sentence, subject plus modal auxiliary, not first form of the verb and object. Object plus modal auxiliary is not be, past participle by and subject. See, he should not abuse others. Others should not be abused by him. Subject plus modal auxiliary not have, third form object. Object plus modal auxiliary not have been, third form by and subject. You see, right side. He may not have done the work. The work may not have been done by him. See, subject ought not to, first form object. Object plus ought not to be, past participle by and subject. You ought not to insult others. Other ought not to be insulted by you. See, be we have to add in past participle. Interrogative, modal auxiliary subject, first form of the verb and object. Modal auxiliary is object be, past participle by and subject. See, can our team win the match? Can the match be won by our team? See, rules 2. Modal auxiliary subject have plus third form object and question mark. Modal auxiliaries object have been, past participle by and subject. See the example. Will he have eaten the mangoes? Will the mangoes have been eaten by him? See, ought subject to, first form of the verb and object. Object ought to be, third form by and subject. See, ought we follow the rules. Ought the rules to be followed by us. Negative interrogative sentence, modal auxiliary subject not, first form object. Modal auxiliary object not be, third form by and subject and question mark. So that we realize this. Should they not buy a house? Should a house not be bought by them? Modal auxiliary subject not have, third form verb and object. Modal auxiliary object not have been. Been we have to add in this past participle same by and subject. Would Raman not have won the match? Would the match not have been won by Raman? See, ought plus subject not to, first form object. Ought object not to be, third form by and subject. See the example. Ought you not to pollute the air? Ought the air not to be polluted by you? Some specific condition passive voice of the verb with two objects. She taught me English, then two object is there. Then I was taught English by her by taking object number 1, me, then I. Simple past tense, so was or were with I was coming, taught already there, second and third same. English by he become, she become her. Second, you taking by second object you can make English was or taught to me. Then first object, then we have to add to before first object by her. Anyway you can write out of two by taking first object or by taking second object. He gave me a pen. I was given a pen by him. A pen was given to me by him. See, here we can observe that any one of the two objects can be chosen as the subject of the passive voice by taking object 1 or 2, that we have to take into consideration. Now rules to change active voice into passive voice. Subject plus helping verb to first form of the verb and object. Object helping verb to be third form by and subject C. She is to cook the food. The food is to be cooked by her. See, we have to add only be and past participle. First form you have to change into third form past participle. Now see, I am to buy the book. The book is to be bought by me. They have to read Sanskrit. Sanskrit has to be read by them. See, be we have to add. Sanskrit singular, that is why has to come in. They have, then they have to come in. Sanskrit singular has to come in. Third form, same, by them. He had to play hockey. Hockey had to be played by him. Passive voice imperative sentence, as you know. Let subject be third form of the verb object. Object should be third form of the verb by and subject. You are order, requested, advised to first form of the verb. Let object be third form of the verb. First let coming, then object be past participle. Open the shop. Let the shop be opened. Start with let also. The shop should be opened like this also, or you are ordered to open the shop. Any way you can write, by using let, by using should, or by using order, requested, like this. Write your name. Let your name be written. Your name should be written, or you are requested or ordered to write your name. Call the peon. Let the peon be called. See, the peon should be called, or you are ordered to call the peon. Out of 3, any one way you can write. Active voice. Let him learn his lesson. Let his lesson be learnt by him. See, let his lesson be learnt by him. Let him learn his lesson. Don't break the door. Let the door not be broken. Let me cook the food. Let the food be cooked by me. See, any way you can write. Passive voice without agent, without subject. See, someone has stolen my book. My book has been stolen by someone, no need of writing. No one can buy it. It cannot be bought by no one, no need of writing. People always respect teachers. Teachers are always respected by people. No need of writing. That shows that we must take into consideration. This fill in the blanks, no need of writing at present. Later what we do the practice. Keep till here. This topic particular coming end here. We will see next chapter transformation in next lecture. We will see next grammar point transformation in next lesson. Thank you. Write one time, read 4 times, try to understand properly. If you pay attention, then not hard. Clear? Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. See you.